Got the box pretty much all together. I just added in a couple cross members here, and get to put some wood to gap it. These holes in the front had to ream them out. This one still needs a little bit more, but got it pretty much bolted together, and wheel wells in. I'm gonna set it on the truck now. This one wheel well, actually I think I need to, just doesn't quite fit. I just need to maybe trim the little, I think it's just hitting on this part here, but can pretty much, I'm gonna set it on the truck now. So pull the truck out and then haul it out here with the Bobcat and set it on. And I'll probably just bolt it down and put the tailgate on and just kind of make sure it all lines up. But it actually looks pretty good for being all aftermarket parts. I'll just pull this out of here. I need to make some sort of strap to hook to the Bobcat so it doesn't get away on me. I think last time we were just towing off the axle. The reason I added the two cross members is because they'll sit on these two on the front, and then the rear cross member just bolts up to this hole here. So I guess I could add one. There's another one that goes on the back here, but for what we're doing now, it shouldn't matter, I think. So just pull this out and set the box on. So I just took a couple soft shackles in here. Works pretty good to move it. Tow it out. I'm just gonna pick these up with the long forks here and to move it over to the shop. Should stay on there if I just go slow anyways. So I got the box on here. It's just kind of mounted on, set on, but gotta line up all these panels and kind of, I'll probably bolt it down, and then I'm gonna do the door gaps and everything because they're just kind of sitting on there right now. So I think fix that grade, and same with the fenders, obviously. So start with door gaps, bolt the box down, and probably add the tailgate in too. Just get it all fitting right and start the bodywork, but it looks actually pretty good. New cab, new fenders. It's got a rebuilt 400 big block. Should be pretty sweet. I got all the doors aligned here. They fit pretty good now. Gaps are not bad. I need to go in. You can see here. This needs to go in, but this will make this gap better, and same with the hood. So roll the bottom of this in, and also on each of the box sides, they're kind of sticking out here, as you can see. But I need to cut the spot weld and move the whole bottom of each side because they're actually both the same. And you can see, if you look in here, I don't know if you can see in the video, but the one part is not aligned, so once I cut this and move it, cut the spot welds and move that in, should be perfect. And then the doors fit really nice. Same thing though, I need to move this fender in. And then have to move this fender in, so it'll actually fix it. Should fix all these, make this a little bit tighter, so. But I'll pull the box off next and fix some spot welds anyways. Tune in for the next video.